Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be replacing the female belt buckle for the seat belt in the back seat of my Pathfinder. For a few months now, my kids have been telling me that one of the buckles in the back did not work. I finally narrowed it down today. In this case, it's the female seat belt buckle on the driver's side of the truck. For months, I've been thinking that maybe it was just the one in the middle, but I went to the pick apart today and I was able to source a replacement female end for this truck, and we're just going to go ahead and swap it in today. And going forward, this will make things a whole lot safer and more comfortable for my kids. All right, so we got some assortment of wrenches. I believe, from what I remember from the pick apart, I believe this is a 14 mil. We're actually going to be changing this one out on the driver's side. All right, so we're back with an even bigger tool now. I had to go get my breaker bar. For some reason, this thing was like super tight. There we go. The one at the junkyard was super easy to take off. All right, I'm gonna try this with a ratchet. No. Wow, that is some amazing stuff. It's not ready to come with a ratchet. So we'll keep on using our breaker bar. Now, I know many of you are probably wondering, why in the world is this guy using this ginormous breaker bar for this job? Well, let me tell you, I had to utilize this thing 98% of the time just to get the fastener removed so I can swap the seatbelt out. Outside of that, it was not coming off. And it took me so long that I was getting a little bit frustrated. My arms were all sweaty. I mean, it was just brutal. Really? I mean, right at the end, dude. What a war. What a fight. So, if you guys got to do this, you might want to consider getting a breaker bar for this job. So it looks like this goes through the body as it's rusty, and that's probably why I gave it such a fight. But here's what we're gonna do to make things a little bit easier going back in. Here we have our friend Mr. Liquid Wrench. Just gonna spray some of that in there. Yes, this truck does have some rust. So if your truck has rust on it, get yourself a breaker bar to change this female belt buckle. All right, so here's our used junkyard part. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in now, like so. Okay. Oh, just in case you guys are curious as to what the real issue was, I'll show you. So here's the male end of the seat belt, and here's the female end that receives this buckle. What was happening is that whenever my daughter tried to latch herself, it wouldn't allow her to. But now, as you can see with the new one, she'll be able to snap right in and be nice and safe. So that's why I'm replacing it. Safety first above all else, because what was happening was that my daughter and my son, they were fighting over who was going to have to use the middle seat belt. Not that they would sit in the middle, but they would have to decide who was going to use the middle female end of the seat belt to strap themselves in. Now there will be no more of that. You just want to run this bolt down until you make contact with the washer. It's actually two washers on this, one on the top, one on the bottom, like you can see here. Although this one on this is a little gone. But the replacement buckle in question, I sourced this off of a 1996 Pathfinder. And this one was a perfect match color-wise, because I was looking at a 98, and those seat belts were more of a light gray. So this is a perfect match. This guy straight. Perfect. Again, doesn't have to be He-Man tight, but it's in, and thank God it's over. Thanks again for stopping by the Camper Dan Files. My name is Chris. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.